What is up, you guys? In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download the Fractal Block music mod. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go in the description of this video and download the mod from the it's.io link. Then, after you've downloaded it, you're gonna extract the zip, and you're gonna see this. But right now, this is the only thing we care about. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Steam in your game, and you're gonna hit this little gear on the right, and then you're gonna click it, go to manage, browse local files, and then now we're in the game files of the game. Now we're hacking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to input, packages, and this is where our Fractal Block music mod is gonna go. So we go back to our mod files, and we just take our Fractal Block music folder, and we copy or move it into here. So now we can safely open up the game. Okay, so now that we have the game open, we have to actually make it so that the mod is... Oh wait, you guys can't see anything. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is make sure that the mod's loaded. So we go to options, then we hit the right arrow, we go to select mods, select package, and we want the base and the czar. So we're going to do the base first. So you hit enter on base, and you're going to see my mod, Fractal Block music. You can have some info if you hit I. But anyway, we're just going to hit enter, and that puts it in the mod. Then we're going to go to czar, put the mod in, and then now we're set. So then we leave, quit the game, and come back in. And now we have epic music. Alrighty guys, I hope you like the music, and I hope you have a great day. Hopefully you like the music. Hopefully you like the music. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So yep, I hope you liked the video, and good night, good morning, and goodbye.